not the day I wanted for this, but today I've got. I might just go for a short hike and see, but I see a little blue sky. So I'm gonna wait a couple minutes, eat my donut. Get my Tammy's starting off. A little blue sky back there somewhere. Maybe not. We'll hike a little bit. First part's really easy. And we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't open up. If it opens up, I'll come back. If it doesn't, keep going. 8 kilometers round trip. Pretty sure I'm going, but I think it's up there. Yeah. I'll stay in the tree line for now. Finally some good views. Not the best day for a scenic hike. Started below that cloud there. Hiked up that valley. Not too hot. Birding from the tree line. I can see why people like this now a little bit. 400 meters straight up. There's the hot springs. Almost to the top. Fog is fierce now. Bummer. But I think I might make it to the top. Here's my Summit 360. Not too exciting today. Behind the mountain's pretty. Yeah, this fog is rolling in something fierce. This is insane. I made it to the top. It's foggy. Fog's only getting worse, so I'm not going to be here long. It's cold. And I'll get back in the shelter of the trees. Pretty fun hike. It's straightforward. The slope isn't too bad, so I could just hike at pretty much a normal walking pace. Once you get to the tree line, I see why it's worth it. The trail wraps around the mountain and you get 360 views of some sweet mountains. You have to see each of them a little bit between fogs, so not a big deal, but the rain's picking up, so I am heading back down. For 1 second, of course. Giving total PNW vibes. Probably only a mile or so to go. Kind of nice. Quick bonus trail. Ruins. It's the old hot spring. The ruins from the old hot spring. Touching. There's my hot spring. Nina would love the smell. Might get there. Look at how white that turned. Bonus hike, half mile, all these hot springs. There's one. I just went to one up there. You can kind of see the steam. Bear. gorgeous.